Welcome to Know It All, a place to connect with researchers to answer all questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. This episode on what is predictive analytics was created for you by Kaylee. In this topic, Know It All will answer: what is predictive analytics? What type of algorithms are used in predictive analytics? Predictive analytics is a branch of data science that uses statistical models and machine learning algorithms to analyze current and historical datasets in order to predict future outcomes. Predictive analytics helps businesses make informed decisions, anticipate customer behavior, identify trends, optimize operations, develop marketing strategies, and more. At its core, predictive analytics relies on the combination of statistics with natural language processing, NLP, or neural networks, for example. In addition, it requires domain knowledge from various disciplines including business management, economics, mathematics, finance, accounting, etc. This combined approach allows us to create powerful forecasts based on real-world conditions like changes in market demand, shifts in consumer preferences, or new competitors entering an industry sector. A key component within predictive analytics is regression analysis, which looks at relationships between independent variables, factors influencing outcomes, versus dependent variables, outcomes. Statistical modeling techniques can then be used to determine how much each factor contributes towards the outcome being predicted, along with identifying any correlations among different factors so predictions are accurate even when external influences change over time. The primary goal behind using predictive analytics is making better informed decisions by allowing organizations insights into what will happen if certain actions take place ahead of taking them. For instance, predicting sales figures could allow companies to adjust pricing plans accordingly before launching their products onto markets, whereas anticipating customer satisfaction levels might help improve service delivery standards and prioritizes resources across multiple departments according to customers' needs, etc. Therefore, this technology enables firms to boost efficiency, reduce costs, and increase revenue, all while providing smoother user experience throughout product life cycles. In order for predictive analytics models to be successful, they must rely heavily upon the use of various types of algorithms. The most common algorithm used in predictive analytic models are regression analysis, including linear regressions, decision trees, neural network/deep learning, and support vector machines, SVM. Regression analysis looks at how one or more independent variables can predict an outcome based on past observations from historical datasets. Decision trees focus on understanding decisions by breaking them down into smaller components, which then form branches within the tree structure. This helps determine what action should be taken when certain conditions are met, as well as predicting probabilities associated with different actions being taken. Neural network/deep learning involves creating layers containing neurons connected together. Each neuron represents some kind of feature extracted from input data, making it possible for complex relationships to form between inputs and outputs without explicitly programming those rules beforehand, thus allowing AI systems such as computer vision applications or natural language processing programs to run effectively autonomously. Finally, support vector machines take labeled training sets consisting of both positive and negative examples. These labels indicate whether given features correspond, either classifying correctly or incorrectly depending upon their position relative to other samples present across multiple dimensions simultaneously, thereby providing classification accuracy even under varying circumstances like outliers existing among otherwise similar groups outside known boundaries established through generalization techniques previously trained against initially provided datasets. In addition, ensemble methods have gained traction over time because they combine several prediction approaches instead of relying on just a single technique alone, boosting overall performance while reducing potential biases inherent in any individual approach. They're also more cost-effective in comparison to separately utilized algorithms, which require increased computational costs that are required to fit larger datasets accurately during model generation process steps. To sum up, despite challenges associated with implementation due to complexities involved, specialized know-how required, plus cost considerations, the overall benefits derived far outweigh the drawbacks. This leads many entities to embrace this promising tech trend in order to maintain their competitive edge and capitalize on potential opportunities that arise given the ever-changing circumstances. Ultimately, predictive analytics enable smarter decision-making processes and insights that were hitherto unavailable. Thank you for listening. For more answers to questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. Don't forget to subscribe to know it all.